Well, friends, welcome to Icon Awareness Series. Self management is the integration of intellectual, mental, and physical abilities of an individual for creativity and higher productivity. Self mastery is the key word in self management. When you are self contained and self sufficient, you enjoy freedom in every aspect of life. You are then your own master. Emotional intelligence plays a major role in self management. It's said that motivation and emotion jointly influence behavior. Your approach and attitude should fit in for the accomplishment of your dreams. Make use of your reasoning power to perfect your emotions. Right understanding leads to harmony in relationships. On an average, 60,000 random thoughts come to the human mind every day. Most of them need correction. We should try to minimize our thinking error rate. We have to improve our ability to link motives, emotions, and reasons in pursuit of self and social excellence. Passion and duty consciousness should go hand in hand for life success. Know yourself, your positives and negatives. Go for a personal audit. Strengthen yourself. Never get irritated at criticisms. Managing a crisis is an art. Master that art. When a problem knocks at your door, ask the problem to wait a minute. Relax yourself for a while. Then get prepared. Invite the problem in and ask, "What's your problem?" Always remember that you have to solve a good number of power equations every day. Face everything with courage and confidence. Extend your support for those who want help or guidance. We have to travel along with the times. Better to be in tune with the times. And making creative use of your time is very crucial in self management. One should be susceptible to changes. It's not advisable to be rigid or impervious to new ideas. Instead, be a change agent. Make life a pleasure event. Enjoy yourself. Thank you.